हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम पढ़ेंगे चैप्टर नंबर 4 और इसके अंदर हमने किन चीज़ों को डिस्कस करना है, उसके जो लर्निंग ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं उनको हम देखेंगे। जो मेन टॉपिक हैं हम उनको सिर्फ डिस्कस करेंगे और बहुत ज़्यादा डिटेल के अंदर नहीं जाएंगे। लर्निंग ऑब्जेक्टिव्स: understand the concept of work in terms of the product of a force and displacement in the direction of the force. Understand the drive, the formula of work W is equal to WD is equal to mgh for work done in a gravitational field near Earth's surface. Understand the work can be calculated from area. Understand the forces displacement graph, related power to work done. Define power as the product of force and velocity. Quote example of power from everyday life. Explain the two types of mechanical energy, which is kinetic energy and we'll study and understand the work energy principle. What is work energy principle? Derive an expression for absolute potential energy. Define escape velocity. Understand that in a resistive medium, loss of potential energy of a body is equal to gain in kinetic energy of body plus work done by the body against friction. Give example of conservation of energies from everyday life. Describe some non-conventional sources of energy. Work done by a contained force. The work done on a body by a constant force is defined as a product of magnitude of the displacement and the component of the force in the direction of the displacement. Work done by a available force. Work done by gravitational field. Work done in the earth gravitational force field is independent of the path followed. The field in which the work done be independent of the path followed or work done in a closed path be zero is called conservative field. Power. Power is the measure of the rate at which work is being done. Power and velocity. The SI unit of power is watt, defined as 1 joule of work done is 1 second. 1 joule of work done is 1 second. Energy. There is two types of energy: kinetic energy and potential energy. Work energy principle: absolutely potential energy, escape velocity, conservation of energy. The kinetic and potential energies are both different form of the base quantity. Mechanical energy, total mechanical energy of a body is the sum of the kinetic energy and potential energy. In our previous discussion of a field body, potential energy may change into kinetic energy and vice versa, but the total energy remains constant. Mathematically, the total energy is equal to potential energy plus kinetic energy is equal to constant. Energy cannot be destroyed, it can be transformed from one kind to another, but the total amount of energy remains constant. I will repeat that energy cannot be destroyed, it can be transformed from one point, from one shape, from one kind to another kind, but the total amount of energy remains constant. Now, non-conventional energy sources. What are the non-conventional sources of energy? Energy from tides, energy from waves, energy from solar, energy from biomass, energy from waste products, and geothermal energy. They are the uh, non-conventional energy sources. One is energy from tides, energy from waves, energy from solar energy, energy from biomass, energy from waste of products, energy from geothermal energy. This is the summary and main topics of chapter number 4 of first year. So we will discuss in the next lecture about the chapter number 5. Thank you.